What up guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. For today's video guys, we are pulling up to Levi'S Stadium for the car show that's going on here today. Look at those beautiful cars, bro. Oh my god. There's gonna be some crazy cars at this event today guys. And I am pretty excited because I have no content for you guys. If you guys haven't watched my last video, I literally had to go skateboarding to get some content for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys do, please comment down below in this video. And if you guys want to see more, I will make some more for you guys. Literally woke up so late today, guys. Look at that beautiful E46 right there. Damn, sick ass Beamer. Damn. Okay. Let's go. Oh my god. What's up, dude? We are at the car show. Oh my god, I'm sorry, bro. If you're watching this video when you're like 18, I am so sorry for waking you up like that. I am sorry, Papa. I am so sorry for waking you up like that. Oh my god, bro. This car pops like crazy. Alright, boys. Well, we just pulled up to the Levi'S Stadium where the car show is at. And my boy's here. Say what's up to the camera, my boy.
What's up, camera?
He just woke up, man. He literally passed out, guys. That's why I was trying to be like very quiet earlier. But like I said, right now we just pulled up to the car event. It looks crazy packed. It's a lot of cars. It's a lot of Euros. Some of the people are leaving. Damn, this is my second time seeing this car in person. So freaking sick. Look at that. And he's leaving too. Well, Mr. Hand, that's me, boy. Ooh, I like your fit, my guy. I like your shoes. He just woke up. Man, my dude is tired, guys. Alright, boys. Well, we just pulled up to the car show, like I was saying earlier. We missed the actual car show to put my car in there, but it's all good. But this is my favorite one right here, guys. It's beautiful. I think it's a 1M or M1, something like that.
German Shepherd. Yeah.
He's so tiny. You see the race car? That's a drift car, dude. Did you see it?
Broken.
No, it's not broken. It's just on the trailer, look. You just can't drive it on the road, bro.
Yeah, because it's illegal.
Man, that thing is so sick. It's my first time, no, second time seeing that race car. That thing is beautiful. Well, you like the race car?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice. Man, look at this thing, Supra, man. This thing is so freaking clean. Look at this car. What do you think? You like it? He said I don't like it. Bro, look at this GTR, guys. This thing is so freaking clean. Look at this GTR, dude.
Detail offers paint corrections.
Oh, look at those seats. Oh my god, bro. This thing is crazy looking. Bro. This has to be one of the craziest GTRs I've ever seen. Oh my god, I'm in 350Z, 370Z heaven. Oh man. A lot of cars. This beautiful Supra right here. This thing is so famous on Instagram. Look at that. Crazy tees. Bucket seat. He only got one bucket seat. Bro, chill. Bro, this thing is so sick. Look at this beautiful right hand drive skyline. You like it? Sick, huh? So freaking clean, guys. We are back at this spot where there's a lot of GTRs and 370Zs and 350Zs. Crazy Nismo. Beautiful Integra with a yellow carbon. Yeah. Nice, huh? Yeah. A lot of nice cars, dude. What do you think? You like it? You like the cars?
I do.
You do. I know. We're looking for lightning, man. That's the goal for today. The goal for today's video is to find a Lightning McQueen at this car show, dude. The homie Hugo's car is all the way over there. Bro, look at the rear diffuser, guys. I need that down plate ASAP. I need to lower my car. Look how beautiful it looks, man. Lowered to the ground. He's literally on the floor, kind of. This thing is so sick, bro. I've been wanting to see this car in person. And those two right there. And this other one right here. And the white one. All these maybe are for president. Yeah, in the middle of nowhere. Oh, these are crazy. This one is insane, though. This one's manual.
It's
And everything. Yeah, it's pretty dope. I love it. You like it?
I don't.
This guy.
Goofer.
Party pooper. Look at this guy. Crazy ass little dude.
Everyone over there.
Man, look at this GTR. Crazy clean. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of you guys. Alright guys, well I had to split away from my kid for a little bit because I really want to see this. This is crazy. Burning my freaking eyes. Whoa, this just smells crazy. Hear that thing? Fucking loud. God, bro. I cannot hear for shit.
Inside, run that up. 1, 2, 3, go.
My ears are bleeding.
Howdy.
Fucking crazy. I cannot hear for shit, bro.
Bro, I can't hear a damn thing.
Man, my baby had to go all the way over there because of this thing, guys. This shit's fucking loud. He's literally crying right now. right, guys, it's time to find my boy and my girl. I don't even know where they went. That thing sounds crazy. I've been looking for you guys literally for the past 20 minutes. Did you hear him? He was blowing his engine, dude. He was like, pop, 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 pop,
I
pop.
told the car and the pink to rev it.
Really? Did you tell him to rev it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He revved it.
You liked it?
And this is
Vroom. That thing sounds sick. That thing looks sick. Oh my god, you like it? Bro, that thing sounds so sick.
They only revved it for us one
Did you hear the turbo, dude?
Yeah.
Did you hear the turbo? You like it?
Yeah.
Yo, guys, look at this crazy full-on carbon fiber 370Z. Bro, this thing is so freaking clean. It's full-on carbon, guys. How crazy is it? Right?
Different.
Something else, bro. You don't see this every day.
Not at all.
Oh no! Oh my goodness, you're so dizzy. Oh no! Alright, boys, well, we just came to my car to get some water, and everybody's leaving right now. I think we're gonna meet up with the homies later, guys. Queen. Holy shit. You like that car, dude? You want to do?
Oh no, you got me. I'm gonna catch that.
Oh
Tiger! Go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
You're not gonna get me, bro.
I got you.
Alright, I catch you. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her.
no.
Go get her. Go get her.
No! Lightning McQueen's coming! Woo!
He's literally doing the same run as you.
Hey, you caught me.
You caught her, bro.
Yeah. Oh my god, that was a big one.
That was a big one, bro.
Yeah, it
You
is.
like it?
I do.
Okay, good. Because there's gonna be a lot of them later, okay?
What the damn? Oh my
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of them, bro. You excited?
Yeah.
All right, bet. All right, guys. So right now we're gonna go get some food, and then after that we're gonna meet up with the homie Hugo and the homie Jose from Fresno, guys. This is my first time ever meeting them.
We are drinking in the box.
Yeah, cause you money Jack in the Box, my boy.
No, we're at the box and the jack.
No, Jack is on the box. It says Jack
In
on
the box.
the Jack is on the box.
Yeah, Jack on the box.
You got it!
This guy.
Give me five. Hey! Hey!
All right, boys. Well, everybody's going
you almost
to
ate
McDonald's.
my
We're
finger.
pulling over here. We're gonna go shoot over there, guys.
Oh my
Crazy
God.
E92s. So stay tuned. Right now we're eating some food. What are we eating, bro?
We eating chicks. Jack in the box.
We're eating Jack in the Box.
Nah, box and the jack.
The box. Jack in on the bookie.
Give me a high five, bro. You funny.
Yes. Yeah.
They're coming to the box and the jack.
The bucket on the Jack.
Man, I want that wide body kit so bad.
What?
What?
What was that about, baby?
What was that about?
Tokyo armor party. That was a big one, Papa. That was a big one, Papa.
It really was, huh?
Yeah.
Beamers here. Yes, sir.
So we left Jackie in the box?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we're gonna take some photos right here with the homies. Yeah.
Big one. The giant one.
Yes, sir.
So we all have face.
What's up, G?
You guys want to chill with us? Go ahead and park. We're going to try to figure it out so we don't get kicked out here.
All right, say less, say less. Alright, boys, well, we just pulled up to the spot. There's a lot of Beamers, and there's an F80s right there, guys. A lineup of F80s. That's so sick. Let's hop out and let's go pretty much meet with them because it's my first time ever meeting with them, guys. And yeah, let's go.
Hey, the way the sun.
Let's go, my boy.
Comrade.
Yeah. What?
Let's go,
What is this
Comrade.
guy saying? Alright, boy. Come on. Get up. This dude. I don't even know what language my boy's speaking right now, guys. A whole lineup of white cars right here, guys. This red one's my favorite. But look at this. Crazy lineup. My baby. That looks so sick, bro. You managed to get there, bro. This is the sickest spot. Holy shit. The wrap looks so clean, bro. Look at that. Oh my god, bro. It looks so freaking mint. I might put my car in here. Who knows? Look at wet right here. That thing's clean, bro. Damn. That look, cars are pulling up over here right now. Sick. My boy's literally just right there chilling. Hey, bro. Are you having fun?
No. I'm not gonna booty coward.
I blinkered. I didn't blinker many times.
We literally made our own car show right here. Look at that. We literally made our own car meet. Look at this E8 and Hugo's E92 right there, guys. That thing is freaking clean, bro. I need a wrap like that, guys. I need something crazy. Peace out, brother. Peace out.
Oh my god!
You like it? I'll catch you guys in the next vlog, man. Let's go.